Happy Sunday. Just starting the vlog. It's like 6 o'clock. Today I have just been cleaning, doing laundry. Like I guess you could call it like a Sunday reset. I didn't film it, but that's what I was doing because my house needed it. Just from traveling and just being lazy a little bit, like in and out and stuff. I had clothes and so I mopped, swept, all that stuff. And Langston actually left and went with my mom this morning, so that even helped me out more because I was able to like really do some stuff without him like kind of being in the way and taking toys out while I'm cleaning. So that's what I did. So now we're just gonna grab something to eat. We're at Captain Al's. Gonna eat dinner because I was gonna cook, but y'all was gonna say I'm probably crazy. I don't like frying things in my house. I don't fry food. Like very rare, maybe like once a year I might, but I don't like that smell because you know if you go over somebody's house and it has like a house smell, I don't like that. Like you could tell they like fry food and cook stuff all the time. I don't like when that just sticks. So I don't fry food in the house. So I was gonna actually cook something, but this dish that I wanted, it was something my mom used to make when I was a little girl. It's called like Swiss steak, but you have to like sear the meat and then you cook it in like a Dutch oven. But I had just cleaned up, so I didn't want the house to smell like food, and I just cleaned. It smells like nice and clean. I had my candles lit and all that stuff, and I was like, you know what? Plus it's hot. I said, I'm not doing that. So we're gonna get this and then maybe I'll do it tomorrow. I actually was gonna check Pinterest because I think I saw like a crock pot version, which is what I would prefer, because then I can just in the morning when I get up and start working, I can put it on in the crock pot and then I'll make some mashed potatoes and probably like corn or something, and that's gonna be dinner and we can eat that like for the week. But yeah, I really didn't feel like doing that. So but I'm gonna get Langston up because y'all can see he sleep. He does not take naps, and this is what happens when he doesn't. He crashes. So I'm gonna get him up and we're gonna go in here and see if we could get us a table. Maybe they have something. It's too hot. I don't want to sit outside. But yeah, like a drink or something. But happy Sunday. Just wanted to start this week off. And yeah. A hamburger, no cheese, just meat. You sure? You want like red beans or rice or something? Chicken? Hey y'all, happy Monday, back at it again. It's kind of a busy morning this morning, so I didn't like start the vlog off. It's like 4:47 right now and I'm just kind of checking in. That's just, I've been busy with like work and then getting Langston off to school and stuff, you know, getting into a new routine. It was just a lot going on this morning. So I'm headed to pick him up right now. I was gonna cook dinner. Go figure, but I don't feel like it. This happens every day. I might still though, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys had a happy weekend. We did not do too much last night. Y'all saw we went to Captain Al's for dinner, but other than that, like earlier in Sunday, we just hung around the house just doing like normal housework stuff. Langston left, he went to church with my mom. I stayed home, just, you know, catching up on a bunch of stuff. And I did upload a new video, so I hope you guys make sure y'all go and watch that. Catch up if you haven't, you know, watch all the latest videos. What else? So we're leaving this weekend. I'm leaving Thursday night, so I gotta get a few things together for that. I do need to go to Target because I wanted to get like one of those little kind of lounge sets just to hang around in. Then what else? Oh, so the plan is we're going to start back going to the gym. I'm telling you guys because I want y'all to keep me accountable. I need help. It's been a minute. My excuse has always been like I didn't have time before because, you know, I was working an hour away and having to rush home to pick up Langston. But I have time now, So I'm gonna start trying to go after I get off of work. Like I said, I get off at 3. So I don't have to pick him up until about 5:30. So I can go work out, and that is the plan. So y'all help keep me motivated so we can do this. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I know I did say I'm leaving Thursday night, so I'm gonna try to go Wednesday. I didn't go today because I was busy with work. So tomorrow I'll go to Mobile, to the office, so I won't be able to go then. So I'll go Wednesday, and I figure that's a start. If I can make it one day this week, I'm doing something, you know what I mean? Because normally I don't go. So if I can, like I said, if I can make it one day, I major accomplishment for me. And then next week we'll go to 2 days or 3 days or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's the plan. I still do need to go by the outlet and pick up Langston another pair of shoes, because I bought him one pair, like blue. I wanted to get like a black or a gray, just so he could have like multiple pairs, you know, to go with like multiple things. So that's something I need to do. What else? I think I'm pretty much set for my trip this weekend. I'm just gonna wear something in my closet that I didn't wear when I went out of town last month. Now I'll just wear something like that, and I'm not going out, I don't think, so I don't need any like going out clothes. I just need something cute for brunch, something to come home in, and then Saturday something kind of cute just to hang around in. I don't really know what we're doing Saturday because they didn't tell me, but whatever, you know, just something cute for that. So that's pretty easy. But I'm gonna focus on the road because the light's changing, and I will check in with you guys after we get back home. I promise I will this time. I do that lately, I've noticed. Like, I'll say that and I don't come back for like a day. We're gonna work on that. Langston, come on. Why are you messing with her? Come on. Come on, bud. Bye, Lank. Let's see. We gotta get you. You gotta learn how to ride your bike. Yeah, you don't know how to ride it. Okay, shoes. Your size. Oh, Crocs. You need some new Crocs? This is your size right here, Lane. Langston, this is your size. Okay, so we are in Academy to get Langston some shoes because he needs a few pairs. So don't do that, baby. We're gonna check some shoes out for you. I like these. You like these? You like these? You don't like that one? Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. I just waited to work. I just did my parking, so now I'm finna get my stuff and head into the office, but I just wanted to hop on real quick, say good morning to you guys. Hopefully today will be a short day. I know I have like a meeting, kind of a town hall type meeting at 10, and I need to try to leave a little bit early because today is voting at home, so I need to try to get there so I can do that before I have to pick Langston up. But I don't know. Anywho, it's Tuesday, so we shall see. But I guess I don't have anything else. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hello guys, happy Friday. So I'm sure you're probably wondering why I look like I'm still at home. Well, I am. I did not go out of town. Things just kept happening, and I was like, you know what, I probably just don't need to go anywhere. I need to stay home. So because I've been doing a lot, not just like traveling, just other stuff, and I'm like, you need to calm down. So that's what that is. So today it's Friday. I still took the day off because obviously I'd already put my time in. So I'm going to go to, I think I'm going to go to Target and do a little, just kind of make this like a little solo day. Just me and you. Well, y'all watching me. Because I want to look at a few things while I don't have Langston anyway. So I was like, you know what? I'll just take care of all the things that I wanted to do since he's not with me. He's at school, which it's 11 o'clock. I don't have much time because I need to be back to pick him up about 1:30 because that's what time the car riders start lining up. So I'll go do that, and that gives me about 2.5 hours. I can go do what I need to do and come back and pick him up, and that's that. So me and him will get to spend the weekend together. I was excited to go, like I said, because I love hanging out with my friends, but I think it just wasn't a good time. I just didn't need to go, so I just canceled. They all still went, so I hope they enjoy and have a great time without me, but it is what it is. We'll obviously do something again, you know, no worries there. So yeah, so I'm gonna focus on the road, and we'll get out here shortly, and I will figure some stuff out at Target. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It currently is about 4:40. I'm on my way out. I have been in the house all day, and I was gonna tell you guys I'm gonna line up everything on my laptop when I get ready to edit and see. This vlog is probably gonna be super short because I really didn't do anything this week. I was going to you know, like I said previously, I was supposed to go out of town. My plans changed. I ended up staying home. So I haven't been doing anything. But I think I did get like a little bit of footage the other day. So I'll try to put it together and see what we have. If not, I can just hold off and post something like next week. But yeah, so Langston left me. He went with my sister to the trampoline park. So I'm just hanging out. I was watching a little TV. I did catch up on some vlogs. And then I have a return I need to take to TJ Maxx. So that's where I'm headed now. Probably by the time I get through doing that, they'll be calling me to see where I'm at. And then I'll get him back. And I did want to go to Old Navy or Walmart or somewhere and try to find him some more like denim shorts, because the ones that he only has like 2, and then one of them is like, for him, it's kind of hard to do the button on. So I was gonna try to find something with more with an easier button for him, because he's in kindergarten, so like pulling it up and down, it's hard. So I was gonna try to do that as well. But other than that, nothing major. Last night, excuse me, I was so proud of my baby, y'all. They're doing this little thing called the ABC Olympics at school, and basically it's like they do like a little make a game out of it to get them to learn their ABCs. So they're doing like certain letters every week, and then they're building upon those letters, and they're out of order. So it's not just like we start ABC like that. They're like kind of random, like LOPQ like that, and then the next week they add like a few more. Well, he got second place, so I was super proud of him. So yesterday on the way home, I stopped. I got him some ice cream from Bob's. We have a new ice cream place. Was not new. We just have another location closer to us. So I got him ice cream just because I wanted to, you know, enforce the positive. Like, you did good. I'm proud of you. And we ate Texas Roadhouse for, it was like a early dinner, late lunch for me. So we did that, and then we got home, and that was it. We didn't go anywhere else for the rest of the day. We were home. So it was cool though, because like I said, it's just so hot out. You just don't want to do anything. Like, at least I personally, I don't know about y'all, I don't want to be out in this until the sun is getting ready to come down. So that's what we did. But I'm gonna focus on driving, and hopefully I'll touch base with y'all in a bit. Together. Did you miss your mama? Look at me. Did you miss me? Mm-hmm. Oh, I miss you too, do the bug.